Yes, it's Pinakbet and it's off season. It's winter time, but we have something to share with Manang Grace and to you. Lokataman Manang. An authentic Ilocano Pinakbet. You're watching Channel Juan Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the kitchen. That serves as our sahog. Hello, good morning. Welcome back to our growing and cooking channel. It's a channel for exploring garden to plate experience. Here we grow, cook and share. Welcome. Your Kuya Uncle here, Romilo from Pangasinan, but growing and cooking here in Holland. Today we'll be cooking pinakbet. Yes, pinakbet na naman you might tell me, but this is new. This is revolutionary. We're cooking pinakbet from frozen veggies. So in this episode we'll see whether the frozen veggie pinakbet especially will taste the same as our traditional fresh from the garden pinakbet. I'll show you the ingredients. Yes, frozen. I'll be using frozen ampalaya and tomatoes. I grew them myself. They have been in the freezer for 6 months now. I think they were harvested around August last year, and they are my last. So this recipe is very precious. And what's pinakbet without bagoong from my dear Pangasinan? By the way, I said Pangasinan. If you're interested in the Pangasinan Calasiao Puto, browse through the playlist or under I place the link. We perfected it here on Channel 1. It will be in one of the tabs also. And binubudan or binorburan, we also have here at Channel 1. It's perfect. I'll show you how to do it in one of our videos. There or here. But for the meantime, I'm gonna show you how I prep the ingredients. Just cut the pork belly into small sizes. Ideal size for rendering fat. And into the casserole, add some water and let it render. While the pork belly renders fat and cooks, let's slice the ginger. Thin slices. Plus the garlic. I have a garlic crusher, but this is quicker. We'll just remove the peel. It's quick, really, this way. As long as the garlic is mature. See, it's done. Next, let's work on the onion. As coarse as possible. It does not have to be fine. If you have been enjoying our videos here on growing and cooking, don't forget to subscribe. Better yet, leave a comment. What do you want me to cook next? Subscribe and click the bell icon so that you won't miss any upload. I'm gonna show you now the complete prep ingredients. Pork belly there. The frozen vegetables which are ready, eggplant cut and immersed in water, the garlic, onion, and ginger. I'll wear my apron. Baka matalsikan ng bagoong. So, this is the style Ilocano, authentic as much as possible. So, we don't stir fry. We combine all the ingredients at once. So that's what we do. I'll be adding now the tomato. Look, frozen tomatoes. Pre-sliced. This is still whole. I won't use that, but I'll use the pre-sliced and frozen. Okay, all done. And then the rest of the ingredients which we just add together. Since I'm working with frozen vegetables, I'll add the frozen vegetables first. These are ampalaya, frozen ampalaya. Don't mind the ice crystals. If you can remove them, yes. Remove them. And the eggplant sweets are not the very best. I have to trim the imperfections. You know what? This is my last bagoong. Just that much. And this has been my meter. And when this begins to run out, it's time to go home and pick some. Do you know where I can buy this here in Europe? They sell only the Balayan or the Batangas bagoong here in the Chinese stores or Filipino stores, and those don't compare to our Pangasinan bagoong. Okay, I'll save the rest for my last recipe. I think that will be bamboo shoot and saluyot. This is not usually done, but I love having chili in my pinakbet. So this is my version. Yeah? The traditionalists, please forgive me for doing this. Let's cover that. Let's just allow that to cook. No stirring. The bottommost are the frozen ones, so they will have to cook first. You know, late last year, that was around November, we embarked on an experiment to find out how successful is it to grow tulips in warmer climates indoors like in the Philippines. I chilled them in the fridge for at least 6 weeks. I'd like to show you the update. And were planted early January. And here's my Dutch lasagna. Crocus and daffodils are emerging. And my chayote vines have grown, but they are not yet ready to be planted outside. It's still too cold. 3 more months. Traditionally, this is not stirred. It's just taraap ko namin Ilocano. I don't know the English word. But I cannot help it. The casserole is too small, so allow me to just stir it. We just fold it. This is a growing and cooking channel. I also have a second channel focused on travels and events, cultural events in the world. From the carnival towards the Semana Santa, I'll be sharing my curated videos of processions, Holy Week processions from the Philippines, in Spain particularly. The biggest processions are there, crazy, you will enjoy them, and from Latin America. Interested? Check out My Barrio My Mundo. See you there. Yeah, it's a bit waterier. There's more water than normal, I don't know. I think because of the water content of the frozen vegetables. But let's taste it. Yeah, no difference at all. I like it. Yeah, but you know what? Because I was easy on the bagoong, I did not put the ideal amount of bagoong. I just added some patis, so it's a bit thinner. But it's pinakbet. Yeah, it's doable. Gawa na rin. There's no excuse now in cooking pinakbet when you miss it any time of the year. Just use frozen vegetable. But don't ever do this without bagoong. That's the kaluluwa, that's the soul of the dish. Bagoong. If you're short of bagoong, supplement it with patis. So, I hope you enjoyed our video today. I hope you found the instructional value of this video as well. Besides its entertainment value, your Kuya Uncle here from Pangasinan, cooking here in Holland. Romelo. Until next time, Diyos ay bati. I'll be bringing this, by the way, to the Tampa, and I'm sharing it with my Manang Grace.